Action verbs are words that tell us what someone is doing.
Jump. He is jumping on a trampoline. Sit. She is sitting on a sofa. Eat. She is eating a sandwich. Write. He is writing on a notebook. Walk. They are walking on a track. Play. They are playing with a ball. Throw. He is throwing a ball. Read. She is reading a book. Kick. He is kicking a ball. Catch. They are catching fishes. Swim. He is swimming. Stand. He is standing in a hall. Watch. She is watching television. Run. He is running with a dog. Sing. They are singing. Cry. Children are crying. Clap. Children are clapping. Laugh. She is laughing with her mom. Climb. He is climbing. Crawl. Baby is crawling. If you like this video, or if it helps your kid, do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.